Have you ever wondered what hidden gems Vietnam holds beyond the usual tourist spots? Well, the first gem we're about to uncover is the mystical highlands of Hajiang. Nestled in the northernmost region of Vietnam, Hajiang is a realm where rugged landscapes meet the sky, a place where the echoes of ancient cultures resonate through the valleys. Here, the rolling hills and terraced rice fields stretch as far as the eye can see, painting a picture of serene beauty that seems to have leapt straight out of a storybook. In this untouched paradise, time seems to stand still. The rhythm of life beats to the age-old traditions of the ethnic minority villages that dot the landscape. Among these are the Hmong and Dao communities, whose rich cultures and vibrant customs are a testament to the diversity of Vietnam. Venturing through the lush forests of Hajiang is an adventure in itself. Each step brings forth new wonders, from the exotic flora to the enchanting wildlife. And the air is filled with a sense of tranquility that's hard to find in the hustle and bustle of city life. But it's not just the natural beauty of Hajiang that will captivate you. Meeting with the local communities offers a window into a world that remains largely untouched by modern influences. The warm smiles of the locals, their colorful traditional attire, and their simple yet fulfilling way of life. It's an experience that's both humbling and inspiring. From the breathtaking views at Ma Pi Leng Pass to the vibrant local markets, the mystical highlands of Hajiang are a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences. It's a place where you can escape the ordinary and immerse yourself in a world that's as fascinating as it is beautiful. So let's journey together into the heart of this hidden gem. Let's explore the untold stories that lie in the shadows of these mountains. Let's uncover the secrets that Hajiang holds, one step at a time. The untouched paradise of Hajiang is a place that truly encapsulates the spirit of adventure. And that, fellow adventurers, is just the beginning of our journey. So stick around because there's so much more to discover in the hidden corners of Vietnam. We're now heading to the serene coastal town of Kienan, where tranquil beaches and hidden coves await. Tucked away from the bustling tourist hubs, Kienan is a breath of fresh air. This quiet coastal town with its miles of pristine beaches and turquoise waters offers an idyllic retreat for those seeking solitude. Here, you can lose track of time lounging on secluded beaches, where the only footprints in the sand are your own. Kienan's laid-back vibe is not just confined to its sandy shores, it extends to the heart of the town where life moves at a slow, relaxed pace. Wander through the local markets and you'll find a bounty of fresh seafood. From succulent crabs to aromatic clams, there's a smorgasbord of flavors waiting to be savored. And if you're a history enthusiast, Kienan will not disappoint. Scattered along the coastline are ancient Cham temples, standing as silent reminders of a bygone era. As you explore these architectural marvels, you'll be transported back in time, walking in the footsteps of the ancient Cham civilization. But Quinan's allure doesn't stop at its sun-kissed beaches or historical sites. It's the town's tranquility that truly sets it apart. Here, you can escape the noise and chaos of everyday life, letting the rhythm of the waves lull you into a state of peaceful relaxation. Whether you're sipping on a sweet coconut by the beach, strolling through the vibrant markets, or exploring ancient temples, Kienan offers a unique experience that's as laid back as it is enriching. So if you're seeking sun, sea, and solitude, Kienan is the place to be. Far from the crowded tourist trails, this coastal town is a hidden gem that offers a serene retreat to all who visit. Kienan is a hidden gem that provides a serene retreat for those seeking sun, sea, and solitude. Our final destination is the enigmatic caves of Phong Nha, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its stunning natural beauty. Situated in the heart of Vietnam, Phong Nha is a world unto itself, a place where nature has crafted a masterpiece that leaves you in awe of its grandeur and splendor. This majestic landscape is home to an extensive network of caves, some of which are considered the largest and longest in the world. But the beauty of Phong Nha goes beyond its size. It's the geological wonders that truly set it apart. These caves are a testament to the power of nature, carved out by water and time into a labyrinth of subterranean rivers, vast chambers, and awe-inspiring formations. Imagine, if you will, embarking on an expedition into these underground worlds. As you glide through the darkness, the serene silence is only broken by the gentle ripple of your boat cutting through the water. Your headlamp illuminates towering stalactites and stalagmites, their intricate patterns a record of thousands of years of geological history. But the magic of Phong Nha doesn't stop at its caves. The area is also a biodiversity hotspot, home to hundreds of species of flora and fauna, some of which are found nowhere else in the world. It's a testament to the importance of conservation, a reminder of our responsibility to protect these unique ecosystems for future generations. Efforts are underway to preserve this natural treasure. Local communities, scientists, and conservationists are working together to ensure that the caves and the surrounding jungle continue to thrive. It's a delicate balance, maintaining the allure of the caves for visitors while safeguarding their ecological integrity. Phong Nha is more than just a destination. It's a journey into the heart of our planet, a voyage of discovery that reveals the extraordinary beauty and complexity of the natural world. It's a place that challenges our perceptions, that reminds us of the power and wonder of the world we inhabit. Phong Nha is a paradise for adventurers and explorers, filled with hidden wonders waiting to be discovered. As our journey comes to an end, we've only scratched the surface of Vietnam's hidden treasures. We've journeyed through the mystical highlands of Hajiang, where the lush landscapes and rich culture of ethnic minority villages painted a vibrant tapestry of life. We've strolled along the tranquil beaches of Kienan, where the coastal charms offered a serene retreat from the hustle and bustle. We've delved into the enigmatic caves of Phong Nha, where the majestic karsts and hidden wonders captivated our adventurous spirits. But this is just the beginning. The beauty of Vietnam extends far beyond these hidden gems. Each corner of this country holds a unique story, waiting to be discovered. From the highlands to the coast, from caves to bustling cities, Vietnam is a treasure trove of experiences that beckon to be explored. So pack your bags, fellow adventurers, and uncover the hidden gems of Vietnam for yourself. Until next time, happy exploring. Venture with us now into the heart of Vietnam, to the bustling streets of Hanoi. This city, situated on the right bank of the Red River, is a magnificent example of the collision of the old and the new, a place where tradition meets modernity at every turn. As we journey through the city's veins, the essence of its heritage becomes evident. We are greeted by a fusion of tradition and modernity at the very core of Hanoi. The cityscape is a remarkable combination of ancient pagodas, a testament to the city's deep-rooted religious beliefs, standing tall alongside magnificent contemporary skyscrapers. These structures, a testament to Vietnam's rapid development, are symbols of growth and modernity. As we navigate the labyrinth of narrow streets, it feels as if we are exploring the artery of Hanoi, where life pulsates with relentless vigor. The city's pulse is palpable and tangible, a rhythm that you can almost touch and feel. Everywhere we look, we see the city's residents going about their daily lives, each individual adding a unique beat to the city's symphony. Street vendors peddle their wares, from mouth-watering fragrant pho to intricate silk garments that showcase the incredible dexterity and talent of local artisans. Amidst the hustle and bustle, the hum of motorbikes filling the air provides a constant soundtrack to our journey. These sounds an essential part of the city's fabric, adding depth and texture to our experiences. Venturing into the old quarter, we transform into time travelers, stepping back into a seemingly bygone era. This part of the city is a living museum, where traditions are meticulously preserved, and the architecture narrates tales of a rich historical tapestry. As we wander through the narrow lanes, we witness the enduring charm of Hanoi's heritage, which continues to thrive amidst the modern world. Our senses are then overwhelmed by the vibrant Dong Xuan market. It is a sensory overload, with a myriad of colors, sounds, and smells that encapsulate the city's soul. This market is a bustling hub of activity, where locals and tourists alike gather to partake in the city's vibrant trade. From the mouth-watering aroma of freshly cooked street food to the visually arresting displays of colorful fruits and vegetables, every corner of this market offers a new experience. After immersing ourselves in the energetic market scene, we find tranquility amidst the chaos at Hoan Kiem Lake. This oasis of calm within the city's heart is where locals often retreat to escape the noise and the crowd. Here we witness the graceful movements of locals practicing Tai Chi at dawn, a scene that is as serene as it is powerful. Crossing the iconic Red Bridge, we are led to the Temple of the Jade Mountain. This historic structure is a significant symbol of Vietnamese culture and spirituality, a sacred place where locals come to offer their prayers and seek solace. The temple, with its intricate carvings and peaceful ambiance, is a captivating example of religious architecture in Vietnam. As the day gradually fades into the night, we are drawn to the pulsating energy of Hanoi's night. When the sun sets, the city truly comes alive with a whole new energy. Lantern-lit stalls illuminate the streets, offering an array of local delicacies and handmade crafts that make the night markets a feast for the senses. Hanoi, a city of contrasts where the old and the new coexist, is the epitome of Vietnam's vibrant culture and rich heritage. Its bustling street life, combined with its wealth of cultural and historical treasures, makes it an unmissable stop on our exploration of Vietnam's hidden gems. From its bustling street markets to its serene temples, Hanoi offers a glimpse into the soul of Vietnam. Its vibrant street life and rich cultural heritage make it an unmissable stop on our exploration of Vietnam's hidden gems. Every street, every corner, every building tells a story of the city's past and hints at its future. The city is a living, breathing entity that evolves with time, yet remains firmly rooted in its culture and traditions. So, journey with us through the vibrant streets of Hanoi, experience the city's pulsating energy, admire its stunning architecture, immerse yourself in its rich culture, and savor its delicious cuisine. As we conclude our tour, the city leaves us with unforgettable memories and a longing to return. Hanoi, a city of contrasts, where the old and the new coexist, offers a glimpse into the soul of Vietnam. Its vibrant street life and rich cultural heritage make it an unmissable stop on our exploration of Vietnam's hidden gems.